Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Durotarac tires, tow hooks, sprayed bed liner, as well as Truck Hero tonneau cover, and so much more. Check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with lots of paneling, cup holder storage in the bottom, right next to the speakers. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. We're going to have black running boards here as well. Into the interior more. Just a 40-20-40 bench split seat. Adjustable. Left side you'll have your trailer mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting control. And to the steering wheel, it's just a black emblem, pretty basic with cruise control on the left. An all analog odometer here. Everything's accessed through this little dial. You can see pretty much everything you need to for your trip economy, to your maintenance gauges, fuel range, as well as your transmission fluid and other things as well. It's getting a classic key, classic column truck shifter, into the infotainment system, pretty basic, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot and OnStar services and navigation if you want to search and sign that up. Rear camera with hitch guidance as well. Climate controls on the bottom, pretty standard, with auto stop as well as your rear lift gate control and hill descent with 2 USB ports, a 12-volt and an AC wall charger. Center console, pretty straightforward, just the storage up top, storage inside. Seat goes up. No storage unfortunately here. Just a classic seat. Get the seat back down, find the tab, pull it, goes right back down. Passenger side, again, manually adjustable, like I said. Chrome handle again with the double glove box. Speakers and storage, as well as you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. So you're getting these black 18-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Durotarac tires with your Z71 badging, black mirror caps, black door handles. Of course, you can have the Trail Boss badging with the Truck Hero Low Pro tonneau cover, black corner step bumpers with the dual exhaust, and trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Tailgate, 2 LED lamps on each side with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, pretty much the same thing. Storage and speaker on the bottom with the cup holder and the power windows and the chrome handle. Crew cab, lots of extra leg room. Just rear ventilation right here. No cup holders or armrests, just storage under the seats with the lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as tow hooks, Goodyear Durotarac tires, Low Pro Truck Hero tonneau cover, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.